Okay, so I was talking about this that how can you make a database on Heroku and then active connect your database to your Heroku website. So the thing is that first of all you have to install Heroku. It's called command line something I don't know CLI. Okay, so first first you go here and okay then log in then create a flask that I just made as in front of you, which was calling tuto mean. So I think this is not important because I just saw some the Kodimi video that he was talking about this, but I found out that it's very much easy to make from website of Heroku and it's not necessary to do with that one. And once you have done this, he said that it is going to give you a website and then you can rename it, etc., etc., and then git push Heroku website. So this is the command that you are just I just did this with search and connect over here. No, I just clicked here and then come down here and then search and connect. No, so the same thing is done by this command. Then after this command, I mean, sorry. After that, you have done this, but you do not have a, a database. So how can you create a database on your I sorry on your Heroku? So for that you have to come over resources. Then you can find Heroku post exactly. Yeah, no. So now that you have got this, and you can create etc. So you can I mean install on your Heroku. So which is done by this command also. So it's not that you have to do with command, but it's your choice. The thing is this that you can do in two ways. Okay, so after that you have done this, uh, you got a new database inside your website because but with SQLite I was giving it to this directly, but in this way you are using a database created on this. So it's a bit different, and the advantage of this is that this database, this I mean this one is much bigger and so it's for a huge huge website. Okay, so now that you have created, how can you find your things? And for that, I remember that so let me go in another my maybe this one that he this one has got a database. Yeah, exactly. So now that you are here, you can click on this. Maybe I'm not sure about it because honestly I don't remember. Uh, uh, Maybe not. I'm not sure why. I don't remember right now. But I saw somewhere that it's possible to get all that you know need. hmm So click on this. Uh, then settings, uh, view credential. I think this is that I was searching about. Yeah, perfect. Let me just compare with that. I do not want to show everybody what is my password is, but although everybody can do so, I think this is the thing. Yeah, exactly. So this is the way that you can get the same thing with this command, Heroku config and then etc. Blah blah blah. so that you can come over here. Maybe I thought no, no. That is the way, one of the way that okay. So you got your link. You have to copy everything, and then you can come over here, as I just told you before. Um, Here you put that address each and everything between these two signals. Okay, so now that you got your link, you have to like connect to you. No, so for that you have to like Heroku run Python. But how can you do this? Heroku run Python is not enough. So for what application you want to run that? So you have to tell them, so you have to like in this is in my case I just specified this name, but you have to use two dot dash line. And now that you have got this, in my case you have to import this from app.py. I have no idea why. Honestly, I don't know. That I just want to tell. Maybe he's importing these. So after that, he's importing these. Maybe this one has a maybe this one has a method that is called create all, and you have to create all so that your database will some, I don't know, maybe it's created or maybe it's just connected to that, and then you have to exit, and then voila, your app will got a new database and it will you running. So I just shown you two ways. One is using SQLite, and you are I mean, supplying, I mean, you are equipping your app with your database, and this is the second way in which you learn that how to make a database inside Heroku website, and then later on create your database and connect to your web page, and then make it happen and make it available to everyone. So thank you very much. I think it's very helpful because with these two video you can learn. But obviously, you have to know what is Python and how to program with Python, because without Python language, understanding of this language, you can't understand each and every line of this code. So that is the prerequisite. So that's it's compulsory. Once you know that what is Python, and you know everything about class and etc., importing files, and that's all, and so on and so forth. Uh, yeah, if you follow these tutorials, you learn how to make a website, and then after that, maybe you know you already know how to make a website, but you do not know how to make it available to the entire world. So for that, this tutorial will help you to understand, because Heroku is, in my opinion, is the best, because there are some other services like that I know, that Python everywhere, but it offers you only for 3 months or 6 months. So I do not like personally these things. Heroku, I don't know. Maybe it's available for the whole time, until unless it's limited for in traffic, and for that I like it. But I loved more both. Okay, so depend on what you are want to do. Honestly speaking, Heroku also very easy, but Python everywhere is much easier, because he gives you the possibility to upload everything inside the Python everywhere website. So it's a bit different with Heroku records, GitHub, I don't know why, and that's why. Well, um, I saw some video about if you want to save something like pictures of someone, somebody from somewhere. I guess you can't. It's not enough to use this service. So no, I don't know. Let me know. Thank you. Bye.